Welcome! If you want to control who can see your Facebook page and show it only to people in specific countries, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to set country restrictions for your page using Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look up to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the page you want to manage. Click on your page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Now, look for the menu on the left side and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the section called Follower and Public Content. This is where you'll find options that control who can follow and interact with your page. Next, scroll down to find Country Restrictions. Click on the Edit button next to it. A box will appear where you can type in the names of the countries you want to target. Enter the countries where you want your page to be visible. After you've added your chosen countries, make sure to select the option that says Show Only to certain countries. This ensures that only people in those countries will be able to view your page. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your Facebook page will now only be visible to people in the countries you selected. This is a great way to tailor your content to specific audiences and make sure your page reaches exactly who you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.